Here's how to loose lace Nike Court Vision lows. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So just pull that through a little bit and chuck it out the way. Smooth out your lace and then bring this lace end down into this eyelet at the bottom here as well. And before you pull all that through, bring your two lace ends together, grab your sneakers and then pull it. And this will mean the laces will come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Just make sure they're equal before we carry on, and make sure you don't have any twists. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. So the second one up from the bottom. Bring that lace end down into it from above. And you don't want to pull that through too tight because this is a loose lace style and you want your foot to be able to get in and out. Then swap to the other lace and do the same on this side. Bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet from above. Make sure there's no twists. Then keep a hold of this lace and we're going to repeat that. Bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the other one, bring it over, and down to the next empty eyelet. And keep going with that. Keep a hold of it, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Remember, not too tight. Swap to the other one, smooth it out, bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet. Now remember, you can play this video on a slower speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all. It's just about getting it right. And then we're going to continue on with this lace. Bring it over to this side, down to the next eyelet. Swap to the other one. Bring it over, down to the next eyelet. Looking good. Keep hold of it. Bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. And swap back to the other one. Do the same on this side. Again, not super tight. I always have to remind myself. Keep a hold of it, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. And then swap to the other one. Bring it over. And down to this one. Now we've reached the final eyelets. We're going to do something a little bit different for the loose lace style. So keep hold of this lace first. And we're going to bring it over into the final eyelet on this side, but we're going to go up through it from underneath this time. So pull that back, just wiggle that through, and you want to pull it through around about that much. Don't worry about that extra lace, we'll sort that in a second. Swap to the other one and do the same on this side. Bring it through that final eyelet from underneath. Pull it through about this much. Then take these excess laces and you just want to pull them down inside the sneaker and behind the sneaker tongue, and they'll tuck out of the way and sit on top of your foot when you slip your feet in and out, and you won't need to tie them up. Repeat under the sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Nike Court Vision lows. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys!